Hi friends, I hope you people are doing fine. So recently we have been published our games in other console. So this is one more account. So it has been an old account. So in this we will going to publish one game, that is the Jolls Forever Gems. So this is in a completely new app. So I did the reskin in this. So we will going to publish this game in the Play Store. As you can see, these are the images of that app. So these are the images. So we will going to publish our app in the here. So whoever need the 20 tester services, you can contact to us. You can see the number of here. So whoever required it for the 20 testers, let us know. We will going to do the 20 tester services for them, and we have a nominal charges for you. And for new year we are bringing soonly new offers also for the 20 testers. So who are the interested for the 20 testers, who wants to do the 20 tester for their applications and they want to publish their app, please contact to us. We will going to help you out. As you can see our number in the description. So let's start and we will going to publish our app. So if you feel the uncomfortable, the feed is quite fast, so just please pause it and see each and every details, as this is a game. So this is the policy, quite different will be there. So just we're going to create a new app, and in that we will going to write our game name. So here, and it's in a game and it's a free, confirm, accept the US law. Make sure you don't write the Indian policy law, because Google only follow the European law, not the Indian law. So make sure that whatever the policy you are created as per a European law, not for the Indian law. So here we will going to make sure this account has a old account, so there is a no requirement of the 20 testers. So we will going to direct upload the information, and we will going to publish our APK file, sorry, ABB file. So just go set up here and add the policy here. Okay, save it and go back. App access. My app concerned without any permission, so there is a no logging section is there in that. And ad network, yes, it's my app is contain the ads. Content writing. Start. We have to write our mail ID. So I have taken here this is a mail ID. It's a game. I agree. Next. So just click it as a no only, because I'm not doing any violence or anything. So we have to come say here as a no. If it is anything is there in your application, just please click it as a S. If it is nothing is there, just click it as a no only. Okay, just go back. Targeting audience, it's been 18 plus. There is a one more option is there, that is nothing usually is there. News app, no, my app does not have any news in that, because it's in a game. Data safety, this is a data safety. So in this, yes, as you have been running a ad, so it's mean you are taking a data, so you have to mention that. So in this we will going to take only the crashing logic diagnose and the device ID, as we have been doing the ads running, so we have to show them that we have been taking this data, but we are officially not been collecting, but the SDK ads will going to take the data. Okay, just go back. And it's a government app, no, it's not in a government app. Just go back. And it's a financial app, no, my app is the game, so there is no need of a financial structure and all those things. Save it, just go back. Health regarding, no, my app does not concern any health. If you are even using the yoga app, like that kind of app, health related app, you have to mention each and everything here. Nowadays Google is such a strict policies they have, so that's the reason you have to do that. Store listing, you have to mention the category, so it comes under into puzzles only. Tax, match, puzzles, brain trainer. Okay, email id. Just save it, and go back, and as we have to write the description and everything, so I have already taken the description. Okay, and the long description. Please make sure while you are uploading, you have to be it should be like in a Google policy should be there. So make sure what are the things you are writing, it should be a concern like in a Google policy. Otherwise your app won't be going to approve, and it will going to get a reject. And if your app has been getting a reject, don't need to get a panic, because it's used, it's common thing. So what are the errors are there, you have to fix that. But make sure whenever you are been applying for the after the errors, make sure what is the error is the first thing you have to fix that, then only you have to do the other thing. Otherwise your app will be going to get a reject one time or two time or three time. After that also you are not been fixing that, it will going to be removed from your console. Completely console will going to get a terminate, so that's a reason. I forget to remove the ads. I expected this thing will be going to happen, but it's up to you whether you want to add those things or not. Just save it. The nowadays the content is such a important thing, it will going to get a review here. As you can see, it's ready for send for the review. You can nowadays we can send for the review your description, then you can able to release your what we say, you will going to you can send for a review for the description. After that you can able to release your application also. So right now I have been no need to be worried, because I have been make sure that it should be matched with the Google policy. So if it is any registration, I will going to get a mail, so according to that I can able to fix. So I have been selected all countries here. So we have been selected the Google key, then we have to upload our ABB file. So I have built the version 1. So there is a new updates is given by the Google. So before that it is going to get a upload normally, but it is like a new animation they have been added, so it has been verifying here. So if it is any error, it will going to show us, but I hope it should be a no error right now, because I make sure everything has been updated. If it is update, then again we have to go edit and we have to do the changes in that. So as there is a no error, so we will going to write some description here. Okay, just next. So let's see if it is any error. There is a two warnings are there, but nothing to be worried about that. It's fine. Go on overview. So if we have a one issues that we have to be compliant with the policy. Yes, yes, save it. Go on overview. So there is no error right now. So it has been checking the description and everything as per the Google policies there. So it will going to take a 14-minute estimates to going to check in each and everything. So after that your app they will going to check. If it is a no problem, then it will go ahead. For that I will going to send for a review if it is any changes from that side, so it will going to check it out. So if you want to do any changes within a year, as you can see there is some time is going on within, in that you have to do the testing, so you can able to change it and you can go ahead with it again. So right now I have been sent for the review, so it's showing that not yet sent for a review because this still take the 15 minutes of time to send for the review. So after that, see, has been a review now right now. So I hope this will going to be work out and it won't be get a much problem to that. Okay, so I hope you people really like my video. If you really people like my video, please like and subscribe and share with your colleague and friends. And I know from the past couple of days we are not making such videos because we have been recorded the video but we have not been editing and posting that, so that is the reason. But we will try to make sure that every day you will get a new videos, new updates, and soon we will going to do the live broadcast also. So I hope it will going to work out smoothly. And if you have any problem or you need any 20 tester service, let us know. You can see our display number is going on. So if you really need any kind of a help, you can message us on WhatsApp, so we will be in touch with you. So I hope you people like. If you think our content is useful, please I request you please like and subscribe to our channel, so we can able to make more videos and it will be such an information video to you all. Thank you so much.